When it's raining hard outside or when the sun is too hot outside, but you want to work out cycling, you need a stationary bike. So this is my road bike, but it's too hot outside. I'm not in the mood to cycle under the heat of the sun. And before I lift weights, before I lift weights, I like to work out in my stationary bike. This is a vintage stationary bike. You cannot find this anymore in the bicycle stores. The knob for tightening the tires so that you'll get a good workout is this one. You tighten it. But sometimes I cycle for several minutes and sometimes even up to 1 hour. I placed a table on top so I can place my laptop, iPad, cell phone. I can even place a book here, or I can write things here so that I can do things while cycling. But I usually use this as warm-up exercise before I do weights or before I do pull-ups in my pull-up bar. So if you want to do indoor cycling on a stationary bike, you have many options. Like in this book, even in YouTube you can search. So you can buy a dedicated stationary bike. So there are many kinds like this one, that one. So it depends on the model you have available in your sporting goods store or in your mall. But the best thing I found is to convert your road bike to a stationary bike. All you have to do is buy this apparatus. It's a roller to convert your road bike to a stationary bike. So you tighten the mechanism, this one, by turning this knob. In addition, there's a cable that allows you to adjust the tightness also while pedaling. So you have two adjustment points here at the back, the roller, and here while you're pedaling, because sometimes you want the tension to be tight, and if you're tired already, you loosen the tension. You can adjust it here. Now you can place it on the handlebar, but since I use this outside, I opted not to place it on the handlebar but just hang it over here. So while I'm pedaling, when I'm using my road bike as a stationary bike, I just adjust the tension here. So if you want to use it outside, I just place this on the floor and then remove the back tire easily by loosening this knob either here or there or both sides, and then I just use this outside. But with this setup you need this kind of bicycle stand for your front wheels, otherwise it will be moving side to side and you don't want that. You want it to be stationary. So you can buy this ready-made or build one. I just built it because I know how to do welding. Welding, you can easily build this kind of stand for your bike. You can use it to make the rear tire stationary, or you can place your front tire here and then your roller at the back. So just search the measurement in the internet, and then if you know how to weld, just use 3/8 rebar or metal rod and then uh, weld that kind of form. Now the reason why I have two stationary bikes is that sometimes my children want to work out with me, so instead of waiting for my child to finish cycling, I just use this while he's using the other bike, or I just use this while my child is using the other stationary bike.